What was your favorite part of the show?
I mean, I'll never forget the beginning when we were talking to the production company. They were like, you know, if you could have your dream, if you could have your show on like your dream platform, what would it be? And I said Netflix. You know, I was like, of course, Netflix. Like, airs to 220 million subscribers. The whole world can see you. So from the get-go, that's something that I wanted. When we were getting on the call with the production company, because they were going to let us know which is the network that had decided, they told me that it was Netflix. I'll never forget. I was outside my office, like, and I was screaming so loud from excitement that the cars were passing by thinking something was wrong with me, because I was like, yes! Like, I couldn't, KOKO, you can't, like, I can't, like, I think about it this way, like, things like this don't happen to people like us. Like, we work really hard, but it's not something that you imagine, like, okay, this opportunity is going to come to you and it's going to, I'm that person who's, I'm always like, if it's too good to be true, you know what I mean? And I was waiting
I'm getting
for that
goosebumps
moment.
Again.
I celebrate things, but I also don't celebrate them until they, you know, they're fully, because I'm like fearful of like it not, you know, and not coming to fruition.
It.
So exactly. So when it happened, I was like, how is this even happening? So I think that's something that I hold very dear, and I'll never forget the last day of filming.